The kid is back at it, spitting pneumatic top classics. Verbal bullets I'm blasting, filling up all the caskets. 3 sides of death, I kill them by the masses. Funeral music got me caught up in the madness. No need for a ratchet, I'm a lyrical assassin. Fire river flows, so dope, just like that blow. Maniacal mastermind, proving time after time. Nothing less than legendary, just like Jordan in his prime. And everything I leave behind will be nothing less than great. So hate if you wanna hate. All that really does is add fuel to the flame. So that fire that I spit will automatically accumulate into something larger beyond your imagination. The product of your hatred, this is your creation. How you like me now? I run this town. The tables are turned, victory I have earned. And I like to say thank you if you never had faith in me. Cause honestly I gotta say everything you told me stayed in my brain. Every last bit of it. You said I was a lame, I would never achieve fame. This rap shit is a waste and I'm just a big mistake. Thank you once again for being my motivation, helping me persevere through all of these situations.